So for our homemade pancake syrup, what we have here, we have a small saucepan and we have equal amount of sugar and water. So I have a half cup of sugar, like brown sugar, and half cup of water. So I'm going to add that to the saucepan. Now to this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Now just go ahead and mix that together. Good. So I'm going to go ahead and place this over medium-high heat and bring to boil. Turn down the heat and allow the mixture to simmer until it is thickened and resemble a syrup-like consistency. So our syrup has been simmering for about 5 minutes over medium heat. And I'm going to go ahead now and add in quarter stick of butter and just allow that to melt. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and just remove our syrup from the heat. So that's our homemade pancake syrup.